This is my tutorial of how to be a ninja. Slice, 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 slice. Throw a sword in here, grab it. Slice, 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 slice. Throw a sword in the air, then grab it. Slice backwards, slice backwards, slice backwards, slice backwards. Take the other hand, slice, 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 slice. Throw a sword in there, grab it. Slice, 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 slice. Now, all you need to do is find a new look, which I am too poor, because I am a ninja. Maybe I shouldn't pick this job. But then, I can look cool and do self-defense. Like this. And after you do what I tell you, you'll be doing it like this. Except with the suit. That is how you become a ninja. Hopefully you like this video. Hopefully you can become a ninja just like me. Oh. It fell behind the couch. Okay, well, that's all I have for this video. Hopefully I can see you guys later. I do have this thing. It kind of makes it better for recording videos as gaming. I have a pretty much GoPro ripoff. And yeah. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I've been trying to post videos lately about I'm a gamer. Also, if you didn't notice, my lips are chapped. I also have ADHD, I found out. So, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Hopefully you become a ninja too. And this video is a joke. What am I talking about?